2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, MP3 player, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.